When a form is submitted, you almost always want to let the person know that you received their info. With Formidable Forms, you are not limited to the standard confirmation message or email notification. You can also send them an SMS using the Twilio WordPress SMS add-on. To connect Twilio to Formidable Forms, start by going to Add-ons and search for the Twilio WordPress SMS add-on. Click Install and then navigate to Global Settings. Here, you'll need to paste in your API keys. Depending on whether you already have a Twilio account or just signed up for a new one, your Twilio account might look like the one here on the left or like this one on the right. If you see the left screen, go to Account, click on My First Twilio Account, and then select View Account in Twilio Console. Now you're in the Twilio console, the right screen we showed just a second ago. Under Admin, you can find things like the billing settings and account management. Click on API Keys and Tokens. If you haven't created a key yet, click Create API Key. Enter a name and choose Standard for the key type. After clicking on Create, copy the key SID and key secret. Paste these into the Twilio global settings. The account SID is the key SID you copied, and the auth token is the key secret. Next, go back to Twilio and click on Messaging, then Settings and Geo Permissions. Here, select the countries you want to enable for SMS sending. In order to send SMS messages to US numbers, you need to register for A2P approval. You can start the registration process right here in the Regulatory Compliance settings, or learn more about it by clicking on this button. For this demo, we'll use a non-US number instead. Now, let's build our form. We'll use the job application template for this example and delete one of the phone fields since we only need one. Now this is important. Set the format to international to ensure that the number formatting will always be correct. Let's also add a drop-down field for job roles. Then click Save and give the form a name. Now head to Settings, Actions, and Notifications. By default, there's already a confirmation message and email notification set up, but we want to add the Twilio action. Choose to trigger this action when an entry is created. In the To field, select the phone field from your form, and in the From field, pick your Twilio number, which should appear if the API was connected successfully. Write your message and press Update. To test, submit the form and verify that you receive an SMS. Lastly, let's add some conditional logic to allow users to choose if they want to receive an SMS. Add a radio button with two options. Go back to Settings, Actions, and Notifications, open the Twilio SMS action, and add conditional logic. Set it to trigger if the radio button equals yes. That's it for this video. Now go and try out Formidable Forms and all other form actions and notifications with our 14-day money-back guarantee.